Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on One to Step. In today's video, I'm going to show you the process on how to turn on dark mode on Amazon. Without any further ado, let's get straight into it. Search for amazon.com on your web browser, and by default, the dark mode won't be turned on. Now there is no option to turn it within the Amazon platform, so in this case, what you need to do is download an extension for Google Chrome. Search for Dark Reader Chrome extension on the search bar and open up the first result. Once you do, it's directly going to take you to the Dark Reader extension. Just click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. Once the extension has been added, you can close this off. And as you can see, the dark mode now has been enabled on Amazon.com. It will not only be enabled for Amazon, but any other website that you open. If you don't want the dark reader for any particular website, you can custom change it. Click on the Extensions tab, open up the dark reader, and click on Site List. So for example, on Amazon, if you select it to not inverted list, it's going to be on dark mode, and if you select it to inverted list only, it's going to be changed to the previous mode, which is the light mode. So that's the process on turning on dark mode on Amazon. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.